how to play music offline on SoundCloud. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can play music offline on SoundCloud. To listen to songs without Wi-Fi or data, you would need SoundCloud Go or Go Plus. That means you cannot listen to music offline using the free version of SoundCloud. So what do you do first? You would have to subscribe to SoundCloud Go or Go Plus via the website or via the app. For me, I'm making use of the app and of the website, and so I'm going to do that here. So to get SoundCloud Go, the first step would be to log in into your SoundCloud account. Once you're logged in, move to the right side of the screen where you can see different options like for artists, upload, upgrade now, profile, notifications, and messages. Then click on the three dot icon. By doing that, a drop down menu will be displayed. In this menu, options like About Us, Legal, Copyright, etc. are displayed. So scroll down until you can see Subscription. Okay, and then select that. On the subscriptions page, you'll see the option which says Current Plans. All right. If you are in a location that supports the use of SoundCloud Go, SoundCloud Go will also be amongst the current plans that you can subscribe to. But if not, you might have to click on Get SoundCloud Go, this particular link here, and you'll be directed to the next page. And like I said, if SoundCloud Go is available on in your country, by clicking on SoundCloud Go, you'll be directed to another page where clear steps on how you can subscribe will be displayed. Follow the steps, follow the prompts, enter in your card details, make your payment, or you can start with free trial first. Once your free trial days has ended, the money will be deducted from your account for you to continue. And then once you subscribe successfully, by coming back to your own page, you would be able to download tracks and then listen to them offline without using Wi-Fi or data. So the major way to do this is by getting the SoundCloud Go or Go Plus, and by doing that, you'll be able to listen to songs, to listen to music offline. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.